Megan. Let's try it again. Go tower straight up. Can you run with the gun? You want me to hold it while I run?
I'm actually really slow running or not. Doesn't matter.
I'll cover. Bro, I was just jumping and peeking. Did y'all see me? Okay, Megan, you're slow. Hand me your gun when we start running.
Nah, I'm good.
You run up faster.
I'm good.
And I'll cover.
I can run. I'm still gonna run slow. It doesn't matter if I have a gun or not.
Wait, they don't know about down below.
We're not going down below. I'll go down below. Touch the ball.
Oh.
I see them directly. I said we're gonna go to one tower. I'll go under tower. Run! Run!
What the? Did I get hit? They're behind us. Can we get hit? Where the hell are they?
You're dead.
Thank you.
Those camping in a dark corner.
Oh my god, what's it? What the? What the? Hello? Sorry. No, I fixed it, I think. What's going on? Sean, my freaking gun wouldn't shoot. I was up the tower trying to shoot it. I think so? Yeah. Justin, I was trying to help you, but my gun wasn't shooting.